So we were here in Easter, which was a couple weeks ago, and I showed you guys kind of an update on this. This is the Justice League ride, and they've done a lot of work. So last time I said I think that this is a whole new section, and it's not. I was wrong, but I think the reason that I thought it was is because of how high it is now. Because before, it was like maybe where that first cut of drywall was. But it's all fascia. I mean, it's not like they're adding on top. As you can see, it's just adding on top of there. They're saying this thing's going to be done sometime. The rumors are is that it's going to be done by the time school lets out around here, which schools around here let out around May 22nd. So we'll see. I'm skeptical, but you never know. They're actually moving pretty quick. And I'll be honest with you, I've been pretty excited about. Oh, here's something wrapped right here. It's probably some sort of signage right there. Can't really see in there too good. This side actually looks like it might be a little bit farther along than the other side. I don't know, there's no motor tape or anything. So that's where they're at with this. We'll keep an eye on it.